5 easy cleaning hacks for people who hate to clean. Are you one of those people who shrugs and murmurs at the thought of cleaning? You are not alone. Let's help you get motivated with these super easy cleaning hacks. To some people, cleaning is like a thorn in the flesh that you can't possibly get rid of. You hate doing it, but you have no other choice than to do it, because the sight of a dirty environment would drive you even more crazy. No one wants to live in a dirty and untidy environment. So how do you keep your home clean when you hate cleaning? Short answer: find easy hacks. In this video, we compile 5 easy cleaning hacks for people who hate to clean. Of course, we will leave you with a bonus tip at the end of this video. Number 1. Don't procrastinate. One of the reasons you probably hate cleaning is the time and effort required. And there is only one reason why that is so: you wait too long to do it. When you keep piling up dirt and leaving mess unattended each time you make one, they will gather and become cumbersome when the day of cleaning finally comes. Wiping off dust immediately, doing dishes immediately, and cleaning up mess and stains at once makes it a lot easier and faster whenever you want to clean. Number 2. Make your bed every morning. Making the bed is one of the simplest cleaning hacks ever, but at the same time, it can be a Herculean task. Because, of course, you have a lot planned for the day already and you just want to get up and get started. The last thing you want to do is to add another task to the list. Definitely not making the bed. If you are like me that hates to make the bed, then this might be a little difficult for you. However, on second thought, making the bed every morning means less work for me when cleaning. You can focus on other things and not have to worry about the bed anymore. Number 3. Avoid cluttering. The empty perfume bottles and empty lotion cans littered all over your room leave you wondering where exactly to begin each time you want to clean. And that is why we advise not to clutter at all costs. Get rid of whatever is no longer in use immediately. Don't pile them up for later. They will easily make you lose interest when later finally comes. Number 4. Make cleaning fun. Yeah, we already know you hate cleaning, but what are the fun things you like to do? Playing music, dancing, chit-chatting with a friend. Since you do not find cleaning fun, you can add the things you find fun into cleaning hours to make it fun. It could be listening to music and singing along while cleaning. This way, you would clean effortlessly without even taking track of time. Number 5. Keep cleaning materials close. You have finally made up your mind to do the cleaning, and now you have to go upstairs in search of cleaning materials. Oh no! That sounds like adding another task to the already tasking list. The motivation could drop to zero in split seconds. Hence, our cleaning hacks say to keep cleaning materials close enough that you can easily reach them without struggle. Finally, here is your bonus tip. Get help. After all said and done, the importance of cleaning cannot be overemphasized. Getting help with cleaning is always a great option. If it looks too much for you to handle, then don't hesitate to book cleaning services. At FastKlean, we are always available to make cleaning easy for you. A little motivation added to regular cleaning routines can transform the boring chore into a fun and productive time. If you love your space clean, but are too lazy to get the job done, we encourage you to introduce these cool cleaning hacks to your cleaning routine and see the difference. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.